Kejaksaan Negeri Aceh Barat dalam keadaan aman dan siap mengikuti inspeksi pemantauan. Para asisten pengawasan Kejaksaan Negeri Aceh. Sobat, gerak!
This road 1,000 times, but now it's different. They try to bring us down, but we're going up. They try to take us down, but they're